What's going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, and today I'm bringing you guys this video on how to make thumbnails on your iPhone. This is probably the best app for making YouTube thumbnails on your iPhone, and honestly it's just one app. Most people that show you how to make this usually use two apps, and I get it, you know, it might look more better than using two apps than one, but I'm going to show you guys how to use this one, and you can actually make a really good thumbnail if you spend a lot of time. And it's just one app. It's easy, fast. I'm going to show you guys how to use it, so let's get straight to it. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for this app on iPhone. It'll take you to the App Store and you can download it. So after you download it, you click on it, and you guys are going to see here the options. This isn't just for thumbnail, guys. You can use this for channel art maker, as you guys can see here. All right, and you can also use this for cover maker, so Instagram post, Facebook post, Facebook cover, but we're going to use this for thumbnail maker. So you click that option, and here you have two options, either this one, which is just one photo, or this one where you can add two photos. You guys can see here the photo icon. So let's use this one for now. Just click on that, click on the photo. Now click on a picture that you guys want to use. I suggest going to Google and searching up good backgrounds on Google, but let's just use this one for now. So after that, you guys are going to see here on the bottom there's some icons here. You can start by clicking on the text icon, and here you can basically type whatever you want the text to be. So vlog, I'm just gonna put something random here so you guys can see. All right, and then here you can kind of pick the thumbnail fonts. These that are unlocked are the ones that if you buy like the premium version, but there's some decent free ones here. As you guys can see, you just got to mess around with it and you can make it look really good. So right here you can add the stroke. I personally like it about right there. You can change the color if you want. This is right here, the radius. You could keep it like that. Opacity, obviously you want that. And then after you're done, you can click here at the check, and then here you can resize it. All right, you can tilt it. So let's put it like that, for example. Obviously I'm not making the best thumbnail because I'm just showing you guys a short video, but you guys will want to spend more time on this. If you guys want to add more text, you put right here, just go to the same place again. After you're done, you press check, and then you get a second text. You could put as many text as you want. All right, and you could change the color. You could just make it the best that you can. So after you're done adding the text, you're gonna go right here, and you guys can actually add some cool little icons. All right, so for example, oh my god, all right, number one, there's a lot here that are pretty good if you guys just look it up. So arrows, there's checks. So after you're done with that, you can go right here to the next one, and you can basically brush over it. I don't know if you would want to do this. You can press here to undo. So you can basically free draw, free brush, free write, whatever you want to call it, all over it. You can write something and you can press undo. You can choose whatever color you guys want. So that's pretty cool if you guys want to do that. After the next one is basically some really cool filters. So you guys can see here, it changes it a lot. All right, I have some other ones here, fresh. I'll just keep this one for now. And then here, the last thing here is the contrast. As you guys can see, you can change it a lot, brightness, and that's basically the finishing touches. After you're done with that, you just click here at the top arrow, and then here you just click save. All right, and now it's saved to your camera roll. I'm gonna go to it right now so you guys can see. All right, right over here, and boom, as you guys can see, it's right there. That's the thumbnail. All right, obviously it has thumbnail maker at the bottom, but you guys can remove that if you guys want. And yeah, that's how you guys do it. It's really simple, it's really easy to use. You don't have to use two apps. If you guys just want to make a quick, you know, decent looking thumbnail, you can use this. If you guys make a lot of vlogs, you guys just can use this on your iPhone and save it, and you can actually upload it on YouTube on your iPhone, and I'll probably make a video for that soon, so look out for that. And yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys liked it, leave a like. If you guys got any questions or any video suggestions, comment below. This app will be in the description below. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.